Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the Dividend Wealth Management Masterplan and how investors can build, track, and protect dividend income through a disciplined long-term strategy. To begin with, the first step is to set your income and wealth goals. Before building a dividend portfolio, you need to define how much passive income you want, how long you plan to invest, and what your long-term wealth objective looks like. For example, some investors may want to generate enough dividend income to cover monthly bills, while others may aim to build a larger portfolio for retirement, financial independence, or family security. A clear target helps you stay focused and give structure to the entire plan. Next, build the core portfolio. This means selecting quality dividend stocks, exchange-traded funds, or other dividend-focused investments that offer reliable cash flow and sustainable payouts. Rather than chasing the highest yield, investors should focus on companies or funds with stable earnings, manageable debt, healthy cash flow, and a consistent dividend history. A strong foundation is important because the overall strength of the portfolio depends on the quality of the assets inside it. After that, diversify across sectors. A dividend portfolio becomes more resilient when income is spread across different industries such as healthcare, consumer staples, financials, utilities, industrials, and other reliable sectors. Diversification helps reduce the risk of depending too heavily on one company or one area of the economy. If one sector underperforms or faces dividend cuts, income from other sectors may help support the overall portfolio. Then, calculate your income potential. Investors should estimate annual dividend income by using portfolio size and average dividend yield. For example, if a portfolio is worth $500,000 and generates an average yield of 4%, the estimated annual dividend income would be $20,000. This kind of calculation helps investors understand whether the current portfolio is aligned with their income target and whether more capital, more time, or higher income growth is needed. At the same time, it is important to track portfolio performance regularly. A dividend investor should not only look at account balance, but also monitor dividend income, dividend growth, current yield, yield on cost, and total return. Dividend growth shows whether the income stream is expanding over time, while total return helps measure the combined effect of income and capital appreciation. Tracking these numbers can reveal whether the portfolio is progressing in the right direction. Furthermore, reinvest and compound whenever appropriate. Reinvesting dividends means using the cash payments received to buy additional shares. These extra shares can then generate more dividends in the future. Over time, this creates compounding, which can accelerate both portfolio growth and future income. During the accumulation phase, reinvestment can be especially powerful because it allows the portfolio to keep expanding without requiring every bit of growth to come from new contributions alone. Meanwhile, manage risk and taxes carefully. Investors should review payout ratios, debt levels, sector concentration, and the financial strength of the businesses or funds they own. Taxes also matter because the amount received after tax is what actually contributes to usable cash flow. In addition, investors should maintain awareness of emergency cash needs so they are not forced to sell quality investments during a market decline or personal financial stress. Risk management is not about avoiding all uncertainty, but about preparing for it wisely. As the portfolio grows, focus on protecting and growing income. This may involve adjusting holdings, replacing weaker dividend payers, maintaining diversification, and reviewing whether income is rising consistently over time. Investors should remain disciplined and avoid reacting emotionally to short-term market movements. The goal is not just to build wealth, but to protect the income stream and strengthen it year after year so it can support greater financial freedom in the future. The formulas shown in this master plan are also very useful. Dividend income can be estimated by multiplying the number of shares by the dividend paid per share. Yield on cost can be estimated by dividing annual dividend income by the original investment amount. Required portfolio size can be estimated by dividing desired annual income by expected dividend yield. These formulas help investors make the strategy more measurable and practical rather than relying only on general ideas. Likewise, the wealth management journey follows a simple sequence. First, plan with clear goals. Next, invest in quality assets. Then, track performance to understand how the portfolio is doing. After that, reinvest income to compound growth. At the same time, protect the portfolio through diversification, risk control, and tax awareness. Finally, Continue growing the income stream so the portfolio becomes a stronger financial tool over time. Therefore, the core principles behind this master plan are consistency, diversification, protection, and patience. Consistency helps investors stay on track with contributions and review habits. Diversification reduces risk across sectors and income sources. Protection keeps the investor focused on safety, resilience, and disciplined decision-making. Patience allows dividend growth and compounding to do their work over the long term. Ultimately, dividend wealth management is not only about buying dividend stocks. It is about building a system that creates income, monitors progress, manages risk, and protects financial goals. When investors combine planning, quality investments, regular tracking, reinvestment, and disciplined protection, they give themselves a better chance of building a more dependable and growing passive income stream. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.